Hello friends, welcome back to Cool IT Help. In this tutorial session, I will show you how you can change the default theme of Notepad on Windows 11. So we are going to change from white theme to dark theme in Notepad. Let's do it. First, I will open a Notepad instance. Here we go. You can see here, this is the default theme and you can call it a Windows default theme. So background is white. Now go to the right side, click on this gear icon. And then you will see this kind of setting options. You can see we have lots of things here. If you want to do more settings related to the word wrap, font settings, you can do those things as well from this place. You can set the font style, font family, and you can increase the default font size as well. But our focus is on the theme. So we will click here. You can see we have these three options only. We can switch from light theme to dark theme if we select the second option, which is the dark. Okay, simply we will select the dark theme and you can see within a second dark theme is applied on the Notepad, which is looking awesome. And this theme is much better than the previous one. And this theme is the dark theme, which does not impact your eyes when you are working in a very low light condition. So we have only two colors here, black and white. So guys, this is the way you can change from light theme to dark theme in the Notepad. I hope you guys found this tutorial relevant and useful. Please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel. And for now, thanks for watching Cool IT Help.